Hey guys, welcome back to the AIB YouTube channel. My name is Amanda Rayo. I'm the social media and marketing coordinator here at the American Institute of Beauty. Today, I just wanted to run through a quick tutorial on how to set up and properly use a ring light, along with just some quick tips and tricks for you. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so to start, you'll want to take your tripod stand. It'll have these different handles on them. You're going to want to loosen the handle and pull out the base section of your tripod stand. And of course, you want to tighten that back up to keep it in place. Next, you'll find additional handles towards the top. These are what will pull out the length of your stand. So you'll just want to follow accordingly, tighten, and then loosen each of them so that you can pull the poles out of the stand, which is, as you can see, what I'm doing here. You'll kind of just pull that out to, of course, whatever height you would like that at. And you're going to take your light portion. It's also going to have its own set of handles to tighten and loosen the pieces. So you'll just want to place that on the stand, tighten that back into place. And then, like I said, just to adjust your height accordingly. Of course, next you're going to want to plug in your ring light to whatever power source you are using. Now, of course, each ring light's going to be different in the setup. This is just kind of a brief overview of how you would go about setting them up. They're all pretty much the same, but they might be slightly different. So here I'm just showing you where the dimmable light knob is. Usually they're on the back portion of the ring light. All right, and then just showing you here what it looks like as you brighten it and dim it on someone's face. Okay, so just to give you guys an example of the ring light in action, you want to try to position the ring light as close to your subject as possible while still getting the full image that you're looking for. Try to position the subject away from the backdrop, because that will create a shadow, and then you can take the image either inside the ring or outside the ring, whatever your preference is. Okay guys, so that's it. Just kind of a brief overview there on how to set up a ring light, some quick tips and tricks for you. Just to reiterate those, like I said, you do want to have the ring light close to your subject, but have the subject themselves farther away from the wall or the backdrop, whatever they're standing up against. If they're too close, that'll cast a little bit of a shadow behind them, and you don't want that. And beyond that, pretty much everything is preference. You can shoot through the ring light itself, or you could kind of come around to the side. It's really up to you. Just make sure that you're not casting a shadow on your subject if you do come around to the side to take your picture. And other than that, ring lights are really great, a great tool for beauty professionals. They do come with different kinds of attachments. You can, for example, I have the camera on an attachment right now, kind of hoisted up on the ring light. Of course, they have the phone attachments, they have microphone attachments, all sorts of different cool things. So definitely do your research and see what kind of tools might assist you in what you're looking to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Beyond that, go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're definitely going to be coming out with some cool DIY videos soon, so feel free to check those out.